Ito yung pang. Anong nilalagay?
Maglaro ko nito. Lararo muna ako kay Eros. Uwi ka mamaya, Yumi.
Kaya maglaro tayo.
Pininig Jollibee. Nilaro ko yan di ba?
Oh. Ate Gay. Ah. Ganda ba, Ate Gay?
Anong basa? Ay, wala. Wala, nasusunod mo dyan.
Wala na nangyari.
Ano kung hindi ka ito ah?
Bro. Hey, bro. Skip. He's so easy. Okay. Haha. Okay, guys. Don't skip running. Oh my god.
Tingnan mo.
Ouchie. I got burden. Who are you? You did nothing to me. And he got one tap by a bulldogs.
Anong yun?
I'm gonna blasting it. Oh, I'm gonna blasting it. I'm about to blast it. Oh, I'm blasting it. Oh, I'm blasting it. So good. I'm blasting it.
Oh, mag-count na mo. Narating sa...
Titan.
Ay, wala ako.
You turn to Titan Blaster, okay? And I turn to Titan Blaster, okay? Alright, go! Titan Blaster! Oh gosh! Let me infect them! No! Hey!
Uy, nakalabas ako.
We're still poor, bro. We're poor. Bro, let's save up for the good ones, the goody things. I said we are poor, bro. Just skip. We're still poor. Let's save up for those upgrade titans, okay? Yo, bro. Should I infect them? Yeah, go.
Where are you, bro? Bro, where are them?
I'm getting flanked, bro. I'm getting flanked.
And I'm dying.
Bro, I'm getting flanked for no reason, bro. I'm getting flanked. Let's go. I got him infected. I got him infected, bro. I got him infected.
Yeah.
Mac, do something. We're gonna die. This Kamasaurus does nothing. Mac, infected Mac. Yes, do something. Or we're gonna die. Bro. Mac, stop right away, bro. Oh.
Oh, I don't want to, bro.
Bro, yo, I can't chat with you.
I hate that.
Huh? 40% healed, bro. Be gone! Prepare myself! Bro, how you losing to one? How you losing to one? Guys. No, protect the sky, bro. Protect the sky or the map, right? Okay. So you wait to try this. Bro, he's easy, bro. He's easy. That's good, bro. He's easy, bro. Don't worry, he's easy. Get him to me, bro. Give it to me, bro. Just give it to me, bro. Let's get it. Oh shit, man. You want to fight? Just
Go
come
infect
here.
them.
Bro, just let me get him, bro. Okay, let's infect them too, because he keeps flying, and he teleported too. I cannot get him, bro. I cannot get. Come on, laser him, bro. Laser him. The final touch. Laser him. I'm getting camera started. No.
Got him. What the?
What? What?
I thought it was slow.
Bro, where's the last one? Bro, there! No! Finally! Don't skip, no skipping, okay? Check the shop. Oh, we have... Bro, let's save up for the special items, okay? Okay? Let's save up for special items. Save up for special items. You rather say special items. Ouch! Bro, this is the hardest part. You need to kill those and
I got him.
you got me, bro. You got me. Now I'm a small dude. Haha. Bro, I hate those minions. They won't hurt me. Bro! Bro, do something. Why?
I did do something.
We are getting cooked by this point.
I'm-
And I'm dying so fast.
Alright, I have the solution here. I'm sending. Alright, go spawning. I have the solution here.
I wanna solo hard mode, bro.
I have the solution here for you.
I wanna get Titan Boxer in there.
Alright. So we are switching Titan specialists.
Yeah.
Yeah, yours the Blacksters and I am the upgraded move.
No, bro. Why?
Whoa! Dumb special.
I want the Titan Blaster.
Wala